What is it?
So here is the puncher.
Here's the nail in the tire, and I'm just gonna pull it out. It's a slow puncture. Inshallah, I'll fix it, and I'll show you how to fix it. With the repair kit, can be bought from super cheap. There you go. Continue the video or make a video.
Ready.
This is how you check. You see the bubble? Yeah, it's a puncture, but just to be sure, I'm checking other parts of the wheel. It should be alright, but I just can't be bothered opening up, taking the wheel out again, because that's not what we want.
So this is actually definitely the one.
Yeah. Just okay, we're just gonna pull one of those strip out. That is the loop that we're gonna put in this, but I'll show you how. This is a repair kit, comes with this particular hole maker, and this is the one that we use to put this strip into the puncture where the puncture is. So, and that has instructions on it, so you can have a look what it says. It says use rat's tool into the hole to roughen and clean the inside of the hole, then coat needle tool with the rubber cement, which is this one, rubber cement. This rubber cement, that's what we're gonna do. And then insert the string halfway into the eye of the needle, which is this one. So I'm gonna show you, pause it. Just gonna get this loop ready for the puncture to be repaired before we actually pull it out. That's halfway in between. That's how it's going to be. That is ready, and we're gonna take the nail out, so it's, you can hear. So what we need to do, where is it? Pull in and out to clean it. And now we're gonna cement the rubber cement with this loop. On both sides, I guess. Inshallah. And now we're going to stick this in, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So just push it in, and you just pull it up, and the excess you just cut it with the scissors. Sorry, just cut it with the scissors. It's already coming off, and that's it. And just any top, you just push it in. It's like a cement, and hopefully that's my first attempt to do it. Let's see what happens after it dries. actual area number that we have lost during the contract?